Babe's gonna cook a meal for us today.
Yeah, so wife treat day.
Oh, love those days. Elevator kiss. Beautiful day in Campbell River today. My knee feels really good today. It's getting better. I'm so excited. Guys, I've been dealing with this knee since February 2nd. Can't wait for it to get better.
Yes, guys. You know, Easter Monday. Understand? I'm been busy with work, but today I decided to go cook some food. You know, cook some food for the wife.
I love it when you cook food.
See how that turn out. So come with us. Purchase some stuff at the store. Hey guys, so I have the chili today. I got the camera.
Oh my goodness, these grapes are so good.
See, this is it when you come shopping with your wife. So you have to deal with lots of patience, so, you know. Yeah, gosh, you need everything.
Yeah, we'll just make a little. We don't eat a lot of potatoes, so it'll be just enough to have a nice meal with potatoes, right?
Just two of us.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. Probably can go.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you think?
I like a lot. That's only $5.
Yeah, just guys. We're used to snapper fish, but these are the closest we can get tilapia snapper. So let's see how it goes. No. Hey babe, I think that some bigger one would be good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or this one is $8.
Let's work with the $8 one.
Good, because I like lots of fish.
Okay, so the intention today was to cook a whole chicken. Oh no, they're pretty expensive though. We got chicken back home, but I wanted a whole chicken. That's what I wanted to just throw it in the oven and do something with it. Right, small. For $20, sounds a nice one.
Get the most expensive one. Get that one, yeah.
The wife is able to get this one, so I went for it.
We don't got much to choose from.
Not much there. Look at this. Even these prices, these to me is more than a whole chicken. But I just don't understand why a whole chicken is more expensive than this. No, this is like what, 6 leg and thigh? I don't get it. And it's cheaper price, way cheaper. Look at that. So, let's see how it goes. You want a wrap up now? You enjoy the one I cooked the other day?
I did.
Okay. So I guess when one thing doesn't work out, another thing works, right? Look at this. This is, you know, normally wings are
20.
so expensive.
Yeah, like $20 or
This
something.
seems to be on sale at $7. So,
Yeah.
grabbing both of them or what?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
And what about, do we want anything else?
It's a good day for a shop, right?
Maybe we should get 3. I love wings. You? That's a good price.
So guys, she done pretty well today. Normally she always got a full chally one. Baby done pretty well today. I'm proud of you. We're finished.
I'm gonna grab some milk case.
I don't think we have anything to make porridge. You know, I love my porridge. So I'm about to grab these guys for my porridge.
Oh my god, it's gonna be so good.
Oh, this is pretty.
It's gonna be so good. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
We'll clean it up after. No. Skin, you know. So baby, ready? Ready for what's coming?
I'm excited.
We don't have much cleaning for the pan one. Just flat it out and clean it up right here.
Okay. Chef Akeen in the house.
Yes guys, so now get together my fresh seasonings, my fresh herbs and spices to get this chicken ready to go.
It's all washed.
It's a Easter Monday treat for my beautiful wife.
Oh, thanks, babe. You're the best.
Yes guys, making my blend seasoning. Everybody do it different. This is how I do it, because I want my food to taste good. So that's how we go to work here. I'm gonna use some oil. This is some pimento seed. So yeah. Some oil in your blend season make it more flavorful. The flavor is there. I'm gonna use some virgin olive oil. Just to blend and give it best flavor. Some complete seasoning, white big box, so you just take it out little by little. Guys, this chicken right here.
One day we're gonna have a big kitchen, babe, with a big counter, and we'll look back at this and say, remember when we had to do cooking in that on the small little counter and stove? We're gonna have an island one day and a house with a nice big countertop where you can prepare all our meals.
No, no want a lot of this. It's hot. Yeah, this is some fancy natural quality. It's right, you gotta grow. Another line. Get it all marinate up. Ready to go.
Babe, can you rub me like that tonight?
Oh my god. Something else.
I want you to rub me like that tonight.
Yeah. Blue white. Yes guys, we get to the chicken ready, you know? Yeah. Getting it all beautiful. Dressing it up nicely. Just a seasoning the all bowl tonight, you know. Yep. Yes guys, it's coming together nicely, you know. Yeah, coming together real good. Get wifey on the board, you know. Yes guys, this is our bird, you know. So coating it the right and proper way, getting it all in, spices and everything in.
And what's in that sauce there that you're putting on here?
So with a jerk barbecue sauce, I'm getting it all right. Yeah, so I'm getting it back in the oven for some more time, maybe 5 more minutes, just to get the meat all basted and everything. And get it nice. Yeah. So I load it up for more. There we go.
What's that?
Just some seasoning for the potatoes.
Seasoning salt?
No, just some mix of seasoning.
Onion.
Sliced potato, guys. Allow it to do its thing. Chicken buffalo finish. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna do it my way.
Looks good.
So good, baby.
Yeah, green onion, bacon bits, potato. Can't go wrong.
Yeah, forget to know my area. So.
Bird looks good.
I hope my beautiful wife enjoy the meat prepared for her. Final product for her, guys. Hopefully she enjoy. My baby.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome, honey.
Looks delicious.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Alright, peace out, guys.
Guys, it was delicious. Thanks for watching. And remember, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and turn on your notification bell. Until next time.